We're listening to my garden grow.
And recording her garden grow for her blog.
Can you hear it?
Yeah. Is that growth or is that insects?
No, it's growth. Actually, if you stand long enough, you can actually see the stuff come up out of the garden. It's not insects. Everything that you hear are bugs pushing.
Wait,
Yeah.
I've heard that before, that sound.
Yes. That's exactly what it is. They're just bulbs pushing up. They're not insects at all.
So it's these green leaves there, is it?
You got it. You know, sometimes when you go to bed and the ground is totally clear and you get up in the morning and there's something that's 1/4 of an inch high, that's what you're hearing now. All that stuff up there.
The trick is to find one spot and to see if it pushes
Yeah, that
through.
spot's the best up there because the leaves.
Yeah, there's a lot growing up there. Not so much happening down
This
here.
is pretty
There's a lot
dead, but
growing
that's
up
why it was better over there.
there. Yeah.
Oh.